When working with other companies, you might need to exchange 3D models. Sometimes these models are step files, as your collaborators does not have SOLIDWORKS. When opening a step file in SOLIDWORKS, you might encounter this error message. You can of course ask for a new step file, but it is quite easy to fix yourself. First, go to your import options and turn off 3D Interconnect. Next, open up a notepad and open the step file in the notepad. Just ensure the file types is set to all files. Go to Edit, Replace or Ctrl H and search for presentation_style_assignment and replace this with Press. Save and close the file, and you should now be able to open the step file.